This page deals with the level of confidence, which has the letter C. C will be represented on a normal curve as an area which is symmetrical about the peak. Notice that if the middle area is C, then the tails must have an area of 1 minus C. The area in each tail will be 1/2 of 1 minus C. From this, we're going to look up a ZC value, which is called a critical value. The first one says find the ZC value if the level of confidence is 90%. You're going to want to draw your own curve. And then let the 90% be the middle area. So create a right tail and a left tail. The middle part will be C equals 0.9 if you put it in decimal form. We'll shade the tails. And we want to figure out how much area is in those tails. The formula for it is 1/2 1 minus C. This tail is going to have 1/2 1 minus C as well. Let's figure out how much area that is. It's actually 0.05. Now that we know that, we can go on to find the critical Z values. We want to look up the area of 0.05 in the tables. So let's look closely for 0.05. Okay, it's going to be a tie between these two. So we see that negative 1.645 is one of the cutoffs in our graph. So we want to put that down here. Now, if we were to find the ZC for the other side, they would be the same because of symmetry. That's going to always happen with confidence intervals. And these are Z values. The one on the right is called ZC. The one on the left is negative ZC. Now for some confidence levels, they're so common that the tables actually have a little shortcut for them. In the critical values table, you can find certain ZCs that are common. Like here for 90%, we see that the ZC that corresponds to that is 1.645. So that's like a quick way that we could have gotten it without even looking it up in the table of body.